Fashion trends are always changing, and while it's fun to keep up with the latest looks, not everyone wants to chase after every new trend. This video is all about showing you how to look stylish this fall, without feeling pressured to follow the season's fleeting trends. Instead, we'll focus on building a timeless wardrobe with classic pieces you can wear year after year, without worrying about them going out of style. While trends may come and go, personal style is something that's always in fashion. This video is designed to give you tips on looking stylish, while also helping you build your confidence and create a style that's uniquely yours. Choosing timeless pieces for your wardrobe. When it comes to fashion, you don't always have to follow the latest trends that change every season. Instead, focusing on timeless pieces can help you create a style that lasts without worrying about them going out of fashion. One timeless item that never goes out of style is straight-leg jeans and wide-leg trousers. These pieces are incredibly versatile and can easily be styled with various outfits, giving you a polished and sophisticated look. Straight-leg jeans are a great option because they pair well with classic shirts, leather jackets, or a cozy cardigan for the fall. Wide-leg trousers, on the other hand, offer comfort and a stylish, trendy feel when paired with a simple tee or an oversized shirt. These are pieces you can wear year after year without the fear of them becoming outdated. Additionally, classic patterns like leopard print stripes or paisley leaf patterned prints are essential in any wardrobe. These patterns add a unique touch to your outfit and never seem to lose their appeal. Even though fashion trends may change, these prints remain relevant and can easily be mixed and matched with different items in your closet. A leopard print blouse, striped scarf, or paisley dress will always give your outfit that extra flair without worrying about it being a passing trend. When it comes to color, earthy tones like brown, burgundy, mustard yellow, and deep green are perfect for the fall. However, you don't have to follow every color trend out there. Stick with shades that complement your skin tone. These timeless colors will always give you a fresh and sophisticated look during the fall season. Of course, accessories are key in completing your look. Don't forget the power of a well-chosen belt, handbag, or pair of heels. Accessories can pull your outfit together and make a statement without having to rely on the latest fashion crazes. Choose pieces that reflect your style and make you feel confident. They'll elevate your outfit every time. Another important factor to keep in mind is dressing for your body shape. Understanding your body type and choosing clothes that work with your proportions is crucial to looking your best. For example, if you have an hourglass figure, body-hugging dresses will highlight your curves, while a flared dress might be the perfect choice if you have a straighter shape. By choosing timeless pieces, understanding your body shape, and selecting colors that complement you, you'll always look stylish, even if you choose not to follow short-lived fashion trends. True style comes from confidence and knowing how to express yourself through what you wear. Accessories, the finishing touch to your outfit. Accessories play a crucial role in adding that extra touch to your outfit and showcasing your personal style. Timeless accessories such as belts, handbags, and high heels are classic choices that enhance your look without the need to follow constantly changing fashion trends. A belt is an essential accessory in any wardrobe. A simple leather belt in neutral colors can accentuate your waist and enhance your natural curves. Opting for a minimalist design allows it to pair well with almost anything, from dresses to jeans, giving your outfit a polished and sophisticated vibe. A handbag is another key accessory that helps define your style. Classic handbags in colors like black, brown, or beige are versatile and pair easily with most outfits, providing a timeless and chic look. You don't need to follow every new trend when it comes to bags. A simple, elegant bag will always elevate your outfit and give you a refined appearance. High heels are a fantastic choice to elevate your height and add a touch of elegance to any look. Whether you choose pointed toe pumps or low kitten heels, they add a graceful feminine touch to your outfit. High heels pair perfectly with skirts, dresses, and even jeans, providing the perfect balance of sophistication and style. In addition, jewelry such as bracelets, necklaces, watches also play a significant role in making your outfit stand out. A classic watch or delicate bracelet can take your look to the next level, adding a touch of glamour and sophistication. Jewelry not only enhances your outfit but also reflects your taste and personal style. Timeless accessories help you create a standout look and bring a sense of refinement to your outfit without relying on fleeting trends. They are the perfect choice for building a unique, confident, and always stylish wardrobe. Choosing outfits that flatter your body shape. Understanding your body shape is crucial when selecting outfits. Not only does it help you choose clothes that fit well, but it also enhances your overall look, making you appear slimmer, more elegant, and confident. Every body shape is unique, and the right clothing can highlight your strengths and downplay areas you want to minimize. For those with an hourglass figure, form-fitting clothes like bodycon dresses are ideal for accentuating your natural curves. A well-fitted dress can make you look elegant and flattering without being overly tight. On the other hand, if you have a straighter body shape, A-line dresses or tops with details like ruffles or bows can add softness and create the illusion of curves. These types of outfits help create balance and add a feminine touch to your silhouette. In addition to understanding your body shape, it's equally important to choose clothes with the right proportions. Picking outfits with well-thought-out cuts can make a significant difference in how you feel and look. For instance, pants that hit just the right length will elongate your legs, while a V-neck top can highlight your neck and shoulders, giving you a more flattering appearance. Small details like seam lines, cuts, and layered fabrics can also play a big role in creating visual effects that make your body look more proportionate. The key is to select clothing that complements your body's natural shape, ensuring a flattering and comfortable fit. By selecting outfits that are tailored to your body shape and proportions, you'll feel more confident and look effortlessly stylish. Understanding how to dress for your body type is essential to expressing your personal style and making the most of your natural figure. Choosing colors that complement your skin tone and fall season. Colors play a crucial role in defining your style, especially in the fall. Warm shades like brown, red, yellow, and green are quintessential fall colors that instantly evoke the season's cozy and vibrant atmosphere. However, it's important to choose colors that complement your skin tone to truly enhance your natural beauty. If you have a fair complexion, warm tones like bright red, orange, or yellow can brighten up your face and give you a fresh, radiant look. For those with medium or deeper skin tones, rich colors like earthy browns, olive greens, or burgundy red can make your skin appear healthier and more glowing. Choosing colors that flatter your skin tone brings out your best features and creates a harmonious look. Beyond just following seasonal trends, it's essential to pick colors that you genuinely love and feel confident in. When you wear colors you enjoy, you'll feel more comfortable and at ease, which radiates through your overall look. Colors you truly love help reflect your personality and create a style that's uniquely yours. Choosing the right color doesn't just help you look good, it also boosts your confidence. By selecting shades that suit both your skin tone and personal preferences, you can create a timeless and stylish wardrobe that will keep you feeling amazing through the fall and beyond. Creating your personal style. Developing your personal style is essential when building your wardrobe. Understanding your preferences and choosing outfits that make you feel comfortable is the foundation for creating a unique look. You don't have to follow trends or wear what's considered essential. Instead, focus on selecting pieces that suit your lifestyle and reflect your personality. Start by identifying the items you love most in your closet. It could be a classic button-down shirt, a simple yet elegant dress, or a timeless leather bag. When you know what makes you feel comfortable and confident, it's easier to build your personal style without constantly chasing the latest trends. How you combine pieces in your wardrobe is equally important. Instead of simply following trends, you can get creative with classic items already in your closet to develop a signature style. Don't be afraid to experiment with outfits that seem unconventional. You may end up creating unique combinations that feel fresh and new. For instance, pairing a classic A-line skirt with a leather jacket or a pair of boots can give you the perfect blend of feminine and edgy style. Understanding which pieces make you feel truly unique and experimenting with different combinations will help you define your personal style. accessories, and small details also play a key role in showcasing your individuality in a subtle and stylish way. Caring for and maintaining your wardrobe. Properly caring for your clothes is essential to ensuring that your classic pieces last for years. By washing and storing them correctly, you can maintain their fresh and luxurious look. Taking care of your wardrobe not only saves you money, but also preserves the quality and longevity of your favorite items. The first step is washing your clothes correctly. Each fabric has different care requirements, so always read the care labels to protect the material. For items like shirts or jeans, it's best to hand wash them or use a gentle cycle. Avoid using high heat in the dryer as it can damage fabrics, especially those made from natural fibers like wool or cotton. Storing your clothes properly is just as important. Make sure to hang or fold items properly to avoid losing their shape. For garments like dresses or coats, use appropriately sized hangers to prevent distortion. Additionally, store your clothes in a dry, cool place to avoid moisture buildup, which can cause mold and fabric damage. Taking the time to care for your wardrobe ensures that your favorite pieces stay fresh, durable, and ready to wear for many years to come. Creating your personal style doesn't have to be about following trends. Focus on classic pieces, mix and match them with accessories, and take good care of your clothes to build a wardrobe that lasts. The key is feeling confident and comfortable in what you wear. True style comes from the confidence you exude and how you express yourself through your clothing. Don't be afraid to experiment with your style. Make the most of what you already have in your wardrobe, and find fresh ways to put it all together this fall. And above all, don't forget to love yourself.